Imagine waking up tomorrow and the world has lost every intelligent person. No scientists, no engineers, no innovators, and no geniuses behind great discoveries. Everything stops. Progress becomes slow. The world feels empty. But now, let me ask you something more serious. What if tomorrow intelligence still exists, but responsibility disappears? Who will control power? Who will guide decisions? And who will ensure that knowledge is used for good? Because intelligence without responsibility is not a blessing. It is a risk. And that is why I believe the world does not need more intelligent people. It needs more responsible people. Greetings to the respected judges, teachers, and everyone watching this speech today. We are living in a world where knowledge is everywhere. Everything is one click away. We can learn anything and we can become anything. But the real question is not how much we know. The real question is what we do with what we know. Because a brilliant mind without responsibility can be dangerous. A student may score perfect grades but still cheat. A person may be very smart but still lie and betray trust. A leader may be intelligent but still misuse power for personal gain. A sharp mind without responsibility is like fire without control. It can cook your food or burn your house down. And that is exactly why responsibility matters more than intelligence. Because responsibility is what people actually trust. People do not follow intelligence alone. People follow those who are responsible. A teacher is respected not only because she is smart, but because she cares for her student. A doctor is trusted not only because he is knowledgeable, but because he carries the responsibility of saving life. A leader is followed not because of intelligence, but because of responsibility. Because in the end, trust is built by responsibility, not intelligence. Responsibility is also what turns knowledge into impact. A responsible student studies even when no one is watching. A responsible person admits mistakes instead of hiding them. A responsible leader chooses what is right even when it is difficult. Because knowledge without responsibility stays as information. But knowledge with responsibility becomes transformation. We often think we are too young to make a difference. We are too small, too ordinary, and too invisible. But let me tell you something. Every big change in history started with people who were once considered not enough. So the question is not whether we are capable. The question is whether we are responsible enough to use what we already have. Because a smart person can change the world, but a responsible person decides what kind of world it becomes. Before I end this speech, let me leave you with this thought. In the future, People will not remember us for how intelligent we were. They will remember us for what we did with our intelligence. They will remember whether we use it to help others or only ourselves. So let us not only choose success, let us chase responsibility. Let us not only ask how smart we can become, but also ask how responsibly we can use our intelligence to impact others. Because at the end of the day, the world does not need more intelligent people. The world needs more responsible people who are intelligent enough to change it and wise enough not to destroy it. Because the future will not be shaped by intelligence alone, but by responsibility. Thank you.